Adano, a company from Japan, they help us. They donated $1 million to restore the place and these cranes to leave the statues and build the platform again.
Why the Japanese?
Because William Malloy took this statue and bring it to Osaka or London, UK, Washington DC, United States. They travel with this statue and show it to the rest of the world, so that people they can start to travel and then start this new income in the island. That is pretty much the main reason why these archaeologists start to restore places from bring tourism to the island. So that is why this statue is still here without a platform. Actually, this is not the only place of this statue. They belong to Anakena, the beach. Yeah, and there was this place was destroyed by the tsunami. Yeah, in 1960. Yeah, the tsunami hit this area of the coast and washed the statues and the flags already destroyed 1 kilometer to the inside of the island.